Apartment Therapy. I'm Taylor. My fiance Craig is behind the camera. Welcome to our home. We live in an A-frame in Nicasio, California. It's about 800 square feet with a loft bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, wraparound deck, and a really cool art studio that we both work out of. We live with our two kitties, Baby and Socks. Baby loves to drink from the sink, and Socks likes to run up and down the stairs. The kitties love to check out all the different animals that stop by. We have occasional raccoons, we have deer, we have quail, we have wild turkeys. It's pretty wild out here. So this is where we wake up every morning. It's like camping every day, just surrounded by the forest. It's just so inspirational and beautiful. This is where we absolutely love to hang out. We have ample natural light. The ceiling is all glass. We love neutral palettes. We love pops of color, texture wherever necessary. But when you're living in such a tiny space, you really have to be flexible and live a modular and functional lifestyle.
So one of the challenges we had when we moved in here was downsizing, which was actually a good thing. We went from a 2-bedroom into a loft situation, which was great because it forced us to simplify and lighten up all of our stuff in our life. And ever since then, it's been such an easier way to live and simpler way to live. So this was the closure when we first saw this place. This was the amazing view when you turn around the corner. And I'll let you come on out and take a look at the amazing redwood tree line.
The coolest upgrade to the house is definitely Craig's lighting magic. He went all out, backlit the trees, the bathroom, and the couch so that at night the whole entire house glows like a diamond.
So one of the best things of working and living in the forest is actually working in the forest. This is my forest office with amazing light, inspiring nature around me, and all the things that I need to create great design.
We're both creative directors. I work in editorial and Craig works in advertising and branding. It was just really important for us to have a place where we can disconnect and feel inspired every day.